A Princess Cookbook by Sarah L. Schuckett. Simple recipes for kids. A Princess Cookbook. Simple recipes for kids by Sarah L. Schuckett. Table of contents. Introduction. Royal recipes on page 4. Tools, page 6. Techniques on page 7. Ooh. Magic wands, page 8. Royal jewels, page 10. Fairy tale floats, page 12. Princess and the sea salad, 14. Slipper sandwiches, 16. Castle crunch, 18. Princess parfait, 20. Glossary, 22. Read more, 23. Internet sites, 23. And index, 24. Royal recipes. Every day is a special when you treat yourself like a princess. Spoil yourself and dazzle your friends with these royal and tasty treats. Just dance your way into the royal kitchen and cook up some fun. Princesses like to plan ahead. Read over your recipes. Look for the ingredients you will need. Ask an adult if you have questions. And remember, a clean princess is a pretty princess. Make sure you wash your hands before you begin. Then pick up your palace when you're finished. Metric conversion chart. The United States. So in the United States, we use teaspoons and cups and ounce. But in the metric system, it's a milliliter and grams. Tools. Princesses need more than crowns and ball gowns to make delicious treats. Use this handy guide to find the tools you need. Cookie cutter. A hollow shape made from metal or plastic that is used to cut cookie dough. Ice cream scoop. A kitchen tool with a deep round end for scooping ice cream. Liquid measuring cup. A glass or plastic measuring cup with a spout for pouring. Measuring cups. Round flat cups with handles used for measuring dry ingredients. Measuring spoons. Spoons with small deep scoops used to measure both wet and dry ingredients. Mixing bowl. A sturdy bowl used for mixing ingredients. Techniques. Measure. To make a specific amount of something. Shake. To move quickly back and forth or up and down. Spread. To cover a surface with something. Sprinkle. To scatter something in small drops or bits. Thaw. To bring to room temperature from frozen. And toss. To mix gently with 2 spoons or forks. Magic wands. Poof! A fairy godmother uses a magic wand to make a princess's wish come true. What's your secret wish? Wave these pretty pretzel wands and see what happens. Makes 10 wands. The ingredients. Ooh, that's exciting. Ingredients. 1 can whipped frosting, 16 ounces, 10 large pretzel sticks, colored sugar sprinkles. The tools you will need is wax paper and spoon. Step 1. Take lid and foil paper off of a can of frosting. Step 2. Lay a piece of wax paper on the table to work on. Step 3. Use a spoon to spread frosting on the pretzel sticks. Leave some space uncovered at one end for holding the wand. 4. Sprinkle colored sugar over the frosted pretzel sticks. 5. Let wands dry on wax paper for 10 minutes. Royal jewels. A princess would never go without her jewels. You'll be the belle of the ball wearing these sweet pieces. Use different candies to match your ball gown and dance the night away in style. Makes 1 bracelet. Ingredients. 1/2 cup colorful cereal with holes in the middle, 1/2 cup candy with holes in the middle, and 1 licorice string. The tools you'll need, measuring cups and 2 small bowls. Measure cereal Step 1. Measure cereal and candy and put in separate bowls. Step 2. Thread cereal and candy pieces on the licorice string. Add cereal and candy pieces until there is enough to fit around your wrist. Step 3. Tie the ends of the licorice string together. Be sure to leave enough room to fit your wrist through the bracelet. Tip. Make a matching necklace by tying more licorice strings together. Fairy tale floats. One sip of these fizzy treats, one sip and these fizzy treats will have you floating off to fairy tale land. Daydream about living happily ever after in your own castle. After all, anything is possible in your own fairy tale. Mix 2 drinks. Ingredients: 1 pint non-fat frozen yogurt, 1 bottle of diet lemon lime soda, 20 ounces. The tools that you will need: liquid measuring cup, 2 glasses, 1 ice cream scoop, 2 straws, and 2 spoons. Step 1. Place frozen yogurt on counter for 2 minutes to thaw. Step 2. Measure and pour 1/2 cup of soda into each glass. Step 3. Add 2 scoops of frozen yogurt to each glass. Step 4. When the fizzing stops, pour more soda to fill the glasses. Step 5. Add a straw and a spoon to each glass. Tip. Make princess pops by freezing the float mixture in an ice cube tray. Princess and the Pea Salad. You don't have to put peas under your mattress to prove you're a princess. Just toss up this sweet salad and give the royal family a treat. Makes 4 servings. Ingredients: 1/2 cup fat-free mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1/4 cup milk, 1 bag of lettuce pieces washed, 2 cups frozen peas thawed, 1/2 cup shredded cheese, 1/8 cup bacon bits, and 20 small tomatoes. The tools: measuring cups, measuring spoons, liquid measuring cup, large bowl, spoon, and 2 forks. Step 1. Measure and pour mayonnaise, sugar, vinegar, and milk into a large bowl. Stir with a spoon. Step 2. Add the lettuce and peas to the bowl. Step 3. Measure and add shredded cheese and bacon bits to the bowl. Step 4. Put the small tomatoes in the bowl. Step 5. Use 2 forks to gently toss the salad together. Our tip: add 1 cup of chopped cauliflower for a tasty addition. Slipper sandwiches. Cinderella lost her glass slipper when she ran home from the ball. These slipper sandwiches are so good, even Cinderella won't leave one behind. Makes 1 sandwich. Ingredients: 2 slices of whole grain bread, 1 tablespoon whipped cream cheese, 1 tablespoon strawberry jam. Tools: a plate, measuring spoon, and shoe-shaped cookie cutters. Step 1. Place 2 slices of whole grain bread on a plate. Step 2. Measure cream cheese, use the measuring spoon, and spread it on 1 slice of bread. Step 3. Measure and spread jam on top of the cream cheese. Step 4. Put the slices of bread together with the cream cheese and jam inside. Step 5. Use a cookie cutter to cut out a shoe shape. Save the rest of the sandwich for later. Tip: these slipper sandwiches are still a treat when made with peanut butter and jelly. Oh, something that I did notice, it looks like they added some like pearl-like candies. Castle Crunch. Tucked away in her castle, Sleeping Beauty slept for many years. When she woke up, she was hungry. This snack would have been a sweet treat for her after a long sleep. Ingredients: 1/2 cup dried cranberries, 1/2 cup banana chips, 1/2 cup peanuts, 1 cup cereal with colorful marshmallows. Tools: measuring cups, large mixing bowl, plastic wrap, large spoon, 6 paper cups. These kind of look like really pretty, almost like paper boxes. Step 1, measure and pour cranberries, banana chips, peanuts, and cereal into a large bowl. Step 2, cover the bowl with plastic wrap. Shake the bowl gently to mix the ingredients. Step 3, use a large spoon to put mixture into the 6 paper cups. You know what? With something like this, you could add M&Ms, chocolate chips, mini marshmallows. Man, there's an endless number of possibilities. A princess parfait. Guests to Rapunzel's tower had to climb up her long braids to visit. If she had served these pinked parfaits, they wouldn't have minded. The climb makes one parfait. Ingredients: 1 cup raspberry, 6-ounce container of raspberry yogurt, 1/2 cup granola. The tools are tall glass, spoon, measuring cups, measuring spoons. Ooh, what a beautiful glass. Oftentimes, glasses like these can be found at like thrift stores. Step 1, put 3 raspberries in a tall glass. Step 2, put 2 spoonfuls of yogurt on top of the raspberries. Step 3, sprinkle a little granola on top of the yogurt. Step 4, repeat steps 1 through 3 to layer the fruit, yogurt, and granola in the glass. Glossary. Castle. A large building or home often surrounded by a wall and water. Dazzle. To amaze someone. Ingredient. See how this is the pronunciation? Ingredient. An item used to make something else. Palace. A large grand home for a king. Queen or other ruler. Parfait. A cold dessert made by layering different foods in a tall, narrow glass. By the way, Donkey talks about parfaits in Shrek. Technique. A method or way of doing a certain skill. Read more. Internet sites. Oh, Factown. Another one of the books used Factown. And here's the index. The end, my friend.